Hi everyone, this is Kevin Wagner, the Keto Advocate. In January of 2016, I had the privilege to sit down and chat with Dr. Angela Poff at the first annual conference on nutritional ketosis and metabolic therapeutics held in Tampa, Florida. Let's see what Dr. Poff had to say.
My name is Angela Poff. I have a bachelor's degree in biochemistry and molecular biology from Hendrix College in Arkansas. And I have a master's and PhD in medical sciences with a concentration in molecular pharmacology and physiology from the University of South Florida. I did my PhD work in Dr. Dominic D'Agostino's lab at USF, and I've stayed there since. I did a short postdoctoral year with him and then transferred into a research associate position, which is what I'm at now. Sure, my talk was related to my PhD dissertation work from a few years ago, talking about using hyperbaric oxygen therapy as a way to exploit or target cancer metabolism, especially as a potential adjuvant therapy to standard of care, as well as ketosis, be it the ketogenic diet or ketone supplementation. I'm very excited about the possibility of using exogenous ketone supplements as a potential alternative or adjuvant to enhance the therapeutic efficacy of the ketogenic diet in cancer. There really is very little information out there on it, but the preliminary studies that we've done in our lab, at least in our mouse model, which is a very aggressive model of metastatic cancer, showed some pretty dramatic results that were actually likened to the effects we saw with the ketogenic diet. And I think that ketone supplements, the availability of this potential treatment could really open up the window of opportunity for a number of people. So I think there's a large patient population who perhaps wouldn't be able or willing to go on a very strict ketogenic diet, but perhaps could implement ketone supplements if it pans out, as we see in the clinical trials, hopefully down the road, that it is effective, that they could use this instead or in combination with the ketogenic diet to get that benefit. And we don't know a lot about how the exogenous ketones are working. Ketones are potent signaling molecules. They have a variety of effects in the cell in terms of signaling cascades, as well as affecting gene expression, and many effects on metabolism as well that are probably contributing to their efficacy. So I want to be able to determine the mechanism of how ketones are damaging cancer, and help determine to what extent this is actually a valid therapeutic option in what type of cancers.